Hey guys, this is Legends Gaming. We're going to bring you another Wii Sports video. This time, that time I got reincarnated as a slime. So we got a couple booster packs here that we're going to open for you guys. We specifically are looking for a couple cards. But total, we're just going to see all in all what we get. Just go ahead and knock over the whole stack there. Some of these can be kind of tough to open. So just specific little things going on. Oh, good little double rare out of the first pack that we opened. That's awesome. Don't forget, guys, that if you like watching our videos, to like, subscribe. Let's see. That one's a good one. Then a good little rare. So far, we've had some pretty good luck just out of 2 packs opened already. Got some more cards that we've been looking for. Nice little rare there at the end. You always have that chance to, with the booster packs, to pull specific signed cards signed by the voice actors. So that's always a plus. Gives you a little incentive to buy the booster packs, trial decks, etc. There's a good one right there too. Kind of give a good little quick flip through. Oh! Got a triple rare climax card. That is awesome. That is a good pull. Now I know people watch anime, a lot of people watch anime. And I know a lot of people play card games, but this is just right up your alley, guys. It's a good little rare right there at the back. So far, we've been really blessed with these booster packs that we've opened so far. I really hope that we can keep up the good luck. Ooh, that was a good one. It'd be really nice if we could pull one of them Titan cards to show you guys. May luck be with us. There's another one that we was looking for. That's a good backup card right there. And the climax rare at the very back. So the luck continues. See what else we can get out of these guys. And get a little rare. Needed that one. And another climax rare. That's 2 in a row. For those of you that haven't watched this anime yet, I highly recommend it. It's a really good anime. It's only 1 season though for right now. But hopefully added more in there. Got a double rare right there, guys. We've been extremely lucky with the pulls out of these packs. Got another rare card and another climax rare. So we got just a few packs left, guys. Just bear with us just a minute. Got another card that we was looking for. And another one. Alright, so as we got just a few left, guys, just want to remind you just to like and subscribe so that we can keep making videos like this for you guys. Kind of show you what's out there. Here's a good one. See, we got this pack and one more. Pressure's on for that sign card. See if we can get it. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, we got an SP, guys. Dude. We got one. We got one. Yes. That makes it all worth it, guys. All worth it. Last pack. And a double rare to end it all, guys. So that's it. That's all for the booster packs we had for that time I got reincarnated as a slime. Thank you guys for watching. This is Legends Gaming, signing out.